Hi everyone, this is Yin from EBI China. You might know some sustainable package like PCR or sugarcane before, and today we have a brand new one for you. It's called Kraft Paper Tube. This is our Kraft Paper Tube, just as its name, which is made of the craft paper. It's eco-friendly because 40% reduction of plastic using. It's sustainable because of paper is renewable sourcage. Let me show you some details. The liner material is stable, not easy to react with the skincare product. Ensured its purity and the quality of the product, which won't be affected. The capacity we can offer is from 10 ml to 300 ml. And for your logo, we can do it via skin printing, hot stamping, and offset printing. So summing up, we have different sizes of the tube and the printing methods for your choice. We can help you build the unique tube package. As a company which regards sustainable development as its mission, EBI is committed to sustainable package, green and safe. Thank you for watching this video. This is Yin from EBI. Subscribe us for more green package. See you next time!